there's a fox. When I walked into the park before even filming an introduction to this video, I came across this interesting pile of, well, compost, and it made for some really nice footage.
Good morning. I haven't been to the Botanical Gardens and brought you over for a video in a long time. So that's exactly what I'm doing this morning. I've got migratory birds that have started to show up here now. So I'm gonna try and find some. I've seen that there's some herons that have made an appearance, some warblers. So we're gonna go take a look and hopefully get some nice pictures. So come along and I hope you enjoy this quiet moment with me. So today I decided to bring the Olympus 100 to 400 millimeter. This is the first version. Haven't used it in a long time. I typically use the 300 millimeter f4, but I do love the zoom on this. A lot more flexibility. So we're gonna test it out this morning with the Lumix G9ii. Okay, so there's a ruby kinglet here, but it's moving so quick. Let's see if we can attempt to get it here. Oh, I think there's two actually. Let's try another angle here. There we go. I think I got one there. Oh, there's a fox. Very far. Try to get a better angle of the fox. Oh, he's running over here. So someone reported pied-billed grebe here. So I'm gonna go check where it was kind of hanging out last year. Hoping that it's still there. actually have 2 tree swallows here resting on a branch, but I'd love to get them when they're flying away. Been here for 5 minutes with my arms in the air. Well, I heard the grebe, so let's go try and find it. I must say, compared to my 300mm f4, the lack of image stabilization on this one here is pretty noticeable. This guy's just sitting right above me. I think a fox was just here not too long ago. I can smell its urine. Not too pleasant. A robin just flew in front of me here. Yeah. There's wood ducks in a tree. Been looking for a shot like that for a while now. that does it for today's video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this quiet, relaxing environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.